Good morning. Today we will continue the chapter of cell organization, and the topic is endoplasm, and the topic is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Uh, Endoplasmic reticulum. It is a complicated and interconnected system of membranes present within the cytoplasm. It forms a link between the plasma membrane and the nuclear membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum may be rough or smooth. Uh, the former is studded with the granules while the latter has no granules. And the function of the endoplasmic reticulum is it helps in the transportation of the substance in the cytoplasm, and it provides the mechanical support to the cytoplasm. And the second is mitochondria. Mitochondria, they are rod-like or the thread-like structure found scattered in the cytoplasm. They consist of an outer membrane and an inner membrane. Outer membrane and an inner membrane um, that is folded inward to form the cristae. The energy is present in the cristae. The inner membrane is folded. Okay. And the function of the mitochondria is they perform the function of the respiration to supply the cell with a high amount of energy, so they are called the powerhouse of the cell. And the third is ribosomes. These are the granules that are found attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. They give endoplasmic reticulum a rough appearance. They may even occur freely in the cytoplasm. The function of the ribosomes are they help in the synthesis of protein, thus they are called the protein factories. Okay, and the uh, protein factory or protein industry of the cell or the lysosome. The next topic is lysosome. Um, Lysosomes are present in the animal cells only. They are single membrane structure, and um, they contain the digestive enzymes. They digest the waste cellular products and the pathogens like bacteria and the virus. Uh, they are nicknamed suicide bags or the suicide sacks. They build in the Golgi appearance. Okay. And the function of the lysosome is they helps in the intracellular digestion of food. They also destroy aged and worn out cellular organelles They defend the cell against the pathogen. So they are called the scavengers or the cellular housekeeper. Okay. And the next is Golgi appearance. Golgi appearance. The Golgi appearance consists of a number of membrane bounded fluid filled flattered sac called the cisternae, vessels, and the vacuoles. There are three types of. Okay. The cisternae are found stacked over one another. In animal cells, Golgi appearance is either single or it consists of the single connected complex unit and lies near the nucleus. In plant cell, Golgi appearance is formed of a membrane of the unconnected unit called the dictyosome, and the functions of the Golgi appearance is involved in the secretion of materials needed for the formation of cell wall and the cell membrane, and is also produced the lysosome in animal cells. This is a it is a organelles of a cell uh, in a short appear in a short summary. Golgi membrane and the function. Cell organelles, bag-like structure. Okay. Okay. Animals do not have. And the next is plastids. Plastids are found in plant cells or in animal cells. Um, there are different kinds of plastids, and first is the chloroplast. These are the green colored plastic contain a green pigment, that is chlorophyll. They are primarily present in the leaves and stem of the plants. They help the plants to perform the photosynthesis, so they are regarded as the kitchen of the cell. And the second is leucoplast. These are the colorless plastids presents mostly in the root and the underground modified stems. Okay, and the third one is chromoplast. These are the plastids that contain the colored pigment or other than green. They give the colors to flowers and fruits. And the animal cell do not have plastids. And the next is centrosome and the centrioles. Centrosomes is a star-like structure consists of centrioles. The pair of the centrioles along with its cytoplasmic body is called the centrosome. Each centriole is a hollow cylindrical structure not bounded by a membrane, and the function is it helps in the cell division. And the second is cilia and flagella. These are the fine hair-like movable protoplasmic projection outside the surface of the cell. They both have a structural similarities. While cilia are short in length, flagella are longer projection. And the function of their cilia and flagella are they help in the locomotion. uh, in many animals, cilia create a current for the obtaining food. In the higher organisms, cilia are present in respiratory tract and helps in the transportation of gases. Vacuoles. Vacuoles. And the next is vacuoles. Okay. And the vacuoles are these are the cavities filled with a fluid called the cell sap. Um, Cell sap or the tonoplast. These are found in the cytoplasm. In the plant cells, the vacuoles are bigger in size and more in numbers. But in animal cells, vacuoles are smaller in size or fewer in number. Vacuoles. Nucleus. Uh, it is discovered by the Robert Brown, and it is a dense spherical or oval structure embedded in the cytoplasm. It is the most important part of the cell. It is also called the controlling center of the cell. Uh, a cell is covered by a nuclear membrane is called the nucleoplasm. Nuclear envelope in which a nucleoplasm is present, which is a ground substance. The nuclear envelope has many pores called the nuclear pores. They maintain the continuity between the nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm. And the nucleoplasm contain the two types of nuclear structure, and the nucleoles and the chromatin. The nucleolus is a granular body, spherical in shape, and the it is size of the ribosome form. It is main the site of the ribosome formation. The chromatin is a network of fine thread. During cell division, chromatin is condensed into the thick cord like structure called the chromosomes. The chromosomes contain genes that help in inheritance, and that is transfer the information from one generation to another generation.